Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect monday.com to Claude AI. First, log into your Claude AI account. Once inside, on the lower left panel, click on the drop down beside your name. Then, go to your settings. In here, on the left side, go to connectors section. Now, go and browse your connectors. Once in, scroll down until you see monday.com. So go ahead and click on it. Now for here first, you need to upgrade your account to be able to connect. But once you have an upgraded account, just click on the connect button to proceed. After that, authorize the connection for the apps. After that, when you go to your dashboard and click on this icon, you will now be able to use monday.com to your Claude AI. And that's just basically it. That's how you connect monday.com to Claude AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.